Seven Hills Conference Center, Las Vegas. Mark Brown, your doorman. Boom. There we go. Hey there, back in Vegas, setting up for Get Coached to Speak, now called Own the Stage. Came over a day early to get things all set up, and I love this workshop because you see the VIPs literally transform over 3 days, and they get duo coaching. Mark Brown, me, and then we kind of facilitate some coaching with everybody else. So I love our setup, and we make it super interactive with our hybrid setup over here. Check it out. So our soundboard, we'll be able to see this, and then people in the room, hey there, Mark Brown, will see the people online on the screen. So make your hybrid setup count. To make it totally engaging so people online say, I feel like I was right in the room in Vegas. Love that.